Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful Macrame wall hanging design ideas. So I hope you are enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So viewers, Macrame is a wonderful form of handmade decoration with just some cotton cord, a few simple knots, and a little creative. You can create beautiful wall art for almost any room. The best thing about Macrame is that it can look both simple and elegant. You can make a small decoration for a little corner, or you can create a large wall hanging that become the main focus of the room. Beautiful boho Macrame wall hanging. This design usually use natural cotton cord, and a simple wooden stick. The cord are attached to the stick and then carefully connected to create beautiful pattern. Long fringe hang from the bottom, giving the piece of soft and relaxing appearance. And viewers, my next idea is viewers, natural white cream color work especially well for this style. You can place a large boho Macrame piece above a sofa, bed, and side table. It can instantly make an empty wall look more interesting. So viewers, I hope you are enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers,